macOS Tahoe 26.1 update is finally here, but should you upgrade or skip this version? First, I'll share what's new in the Tahoe 26.1 update, walk you through the installation process step by step, and let you know if I encounter any issues while installing it on my MacBook Pro M4. Then you can decide whether to upgrade to the Tahoe 26.1 version or skip it. Let's get started. What's new in the macOS Tahoe 26.1 update? macOS Tahoe 26.1 expands Apple Intelligence to more users with support for Danish, Dutch, Norwegian, Portuguese, Portugal, Swedish, Turkish, Chinese traditional, and Vietnamese. A new button in the system settings for liquid glass allows you to switch between clear and tinted modes. The clear option retains the original appearance, while the tinted option offers reduced transparency and increased contrast. Better FaceTime audio quality. According to Apple, Mac users who update to Tahoe 26.1 will see better FaceTime audio quality in low bandwidth situations. So if you are making calls in areas with poor signal or a weak Wi-Fi connection, you should experience better audio quality. Communication safety and web content filters are designed to block certain websites and are enabled by default for existing child accounts age 13 to 17, depending on your country and region. When you open the apps by clicking its icon in the dock, it will display more apps in its window than the previous version. The Apple TV icon has also been updated. Additionally, the hard drive icon has been updated with a minor change. In the Music app, Apple has added Automix support over AirPlay, a feature that smoothly blends transitions between tracks. In the Tahoe 26.1 update, Apple also delivers security enhancements along with bug fixes. For information on the security content of Apple software updates, please visit the support page. Before updating or upgrading, backup your Mac or clone your internal drive to an external one to avoid potential data loss. To update, click System Settings in the dock, then select General, followed by Software Update. macOS Tahoe 26.1 was released on November 3, 2025. It's about 17.27 GB on my MacBook Pro M4. I will install it over the beta. The update size may vary depending on your current macOS version. When you are ready to proceed, click Update Now. Click Agree. Enter your admin password and press OK to complete the installation. The installation is in progress and it will take a while. I'll pause recording to save your time and will resume once it's finished. I'll also inform you if any issues arise during the process. The macOS Tahoe update installation is now finished. It took approximately 55 minutes on the MacBook Pro M4, but the time may differ depending on your Mac and internet connection. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 4 times during the installation, including 3 black screens that lasted approximately 5, 8, and 5 seconds. I didn't face any issues during installation and can now run macOS Tahoe 26.1 on my MacBook Pro M4. Should you upgrade or skip macOS Tahoe 26.1? If you rely on your Mac for work or important projects, it's best to wait for the next update. This gives Apple time to fix early bugs and for developers to update their apps for full compatibility. However, if you don't use your Mac for your work and don't mind encountering occasional glitches or issues and want to explore the new features, you can safely upgrade now. A safer middle ground is to install macOS Tahoe on a separate volume. If you have enough space on your Mac, this lets you test the new system without risking your main setup, and you can easily remove the one you don't want later. Here is a step-by-step tutorial if you decide to create a separate volume. Access the link in the description box below this video or watch it at the end of this video. If you are looking for free Mac apps to boost security and optimize your Mac's performance, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free apps tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.